Hi there. This is our first set of matter terms for this unit. Remember, you need to create a Kim chart for these words in which you will put the term in the first column, the definition in the second column, and the picture and or sentence that will help you remember the meaning in the third column. Okay, so let's begin. Atom. The atom is the basic particle from which all elements are made. It is composed of a nucleus, which holds the protons and the neutrons, and then outside of the nucleus we have the electrons. Chemistry. The study of properties in matter and how matter changes. Compound. When two or more of any atoms combine to form larger particles. A compound is also known as a pure substance, which means that it cannot be broken down any further and maintain its particular makeup. Element. A pure substance made from the same kind of atom. So here we have a picture of silicon, and this silicon element is composed of millions of silicon atoms. Heterogeneous mixture is an unevenly mixed substance in which you can see the different parts that make up the substance. These mixtures are physically combined. So here we have a picture of M&Ms, and if we wanted to take everything out and sort it, we could sort by color. And what we would also see is that we don't have a set ratio, which means that if we had 2 red M&Ms, 4 blue M&Ms, and 7 green M&Ms, they would still be an M&M mixture. Homogeneous mixture. Evenly mixed substances in which you can't see the different parts that make up the substance. A homogeneous mixture is also physically combined. Another name for homogeneous mixture is a solution. Mass, the amount of matter in an object. So here we have a picture of someone's mass on the moon and their mass on Jupiter, and what we can see is that their mass doesn't change from one object to the next. Matter. Anything that has mass and takes up space. Molecule. When 2 or more like atoms combine to form larger particles. Pure substance. Single kind of matter that cannot be broken down any further. So this is an example of gold, an element, and we can't break the element down into any smaller substance so that we can come up with something new. Volume, the amount of space that matter takes up. Weight, measure of the force of gravity on an object. So here again, we have the same picture, but now when we look at the weight from the moon and the weight from being on Jupiter, we notice that there's a change. The larger the object, the greater its gravitational pull on the individual. So that's why we would see the change in weight, because it's related to the amount of gravitational pull on the object. Okay, so this ends the first set of vocabulary terms for the